So the exciting news, engine and transmission are out. Today gonna power wash the bay and do a little bit of under the tunnel. Cause I mean, this is a 72, there's a lot of grime, and whenever I start working on this thing, I don't wanna go through a lot of gloves. So let's get at it. Here's one of my concerns and a reason why I want to power wash the bay. I need to get these clamshells out of here, and I can't believe the small box Chevy is only held in by 2 bolts and these funky looking welds. Anyway, all that's going to change. Let's start that. Fast 505 sit on there for roughly 5 minutes, let it soak in, then power washed everything off. So let's go check it out. So here's the bay after power washing it. Not too bad. Not too bad. I'm pretty happy with it. Got a few spots left right here, but nothing I can't get in a later date once I roll it back into the garage. We're definitely ready now to grind off the welds and get these clamshells out. So that was my main goal, but everything else was just kind of a bonus. Here's the TH350 crossmember. Turned out pretty good. Got a lot of that old grime off. Not perfect, but definitely usable and definitely paintable after hitting it with some more 505 and maybe a toothbrush or something. That's all I got for today. If you want to hang out and watch me build this Nova, make sure you subscribe and hang out with T-Brand. That's all I got for today. See you on the next one.